Hi everyone, and welcome to another demo from All About Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Facebook Messenger chat pop-up on your website. So to get started, first we're going to go over to Facebook. Okay, so here we are on Facebook, and we're going to go to our business page. So up here in the top, I'm going to select my page, and I'm going to head on over there. Now we're going to go to our settings up here in the top right corner. And we're going to click over here on messaging. And we're going to scroll down, and down here you'll see a spot that says add messenger to your website, and we're going to click on get started. Next, this preview screen here shows you what it'll look like on your website. So you've probably seen this on other people's websites at some point, where there's a little messenger icon and it pops up here. And you can change what this initial greeting is over here by saying change. So I'm going to keep it the way it is. That was my original one. Maybe I'll change it. Because I will help you. Okay, and then we click next again. Now this is where you can change the colors if you want the custom colors on or off. I like my signature purple, although I think I've changed it slightly. Yeah, we'll go with this one that's a little more purple. And now you get a bunch of code. So sorry, before you do that, you need to make sure you enter your domain here. I have HTTPS here on my old domain. I had the SSL certificate. I haven't put it on this one yet. So I'm going to put this in as well. Oops. Okay. So I want to save that so that I've got both the HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. So now, if you were to have a developer do it, this is where you would click email instructions to your developers and you would have them put this on your website. But I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. So you're going to copy the code by clicking on here. And you can click on finish if you want, or you can keep it open just in case you forget to where you're pasting it. Now we're going to go over to our website. So here on my website, I'm on the front page of my website here. And up in the admin bar here, I'm going to click on Edit Page. So now I'll be editing my home page. I'll scroll down all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to look for the next content block that I can add all the way at the bottom, because I want this to appear on my home page. And I'm going to search for the HTML block, and I'm going to click on Custom HTML. And now I'm going to just paste that code in here. And then I'm going to click Update. So now my page is updated. I'm going to click here to view my page. And you can see now that the little WordPress chatbot has shown up here. So I can now, if I was visiting as a customer or a client, I could continue to chat, although this will enable me to chat with myself, so I won't show the rest of this, but you should, if somebody were to chat through me, chat here, it would be connected to my Facebook Messenger, and they can send me an instant message right away, and I'd get it on my phone, and I'd be able to say hello and help them solve their problem. Okay, now that we have our nice little handy Facebook Messenger chatbot, we're going to do a couple more things. We're going to go back to Facebook, and we're going to click on Finish, and thank you, and done. And I just want to quickly go through a few other settings that there are here. So these are basic settings that you have within Facebook as well. So you also have a link here that will connect to you as well, that you can copy the link and place it somewhere so that people can chat with you direct. We've already done this. You can also set up automated responses, which is really great, and it works on Facebook as well as with your chat. If we click on Setup here, you can see different options here for your automated responses, and you can customize all of this, which is really great. So you can change your message here. You can change your replies here. You can also share info about your page. I don't have all of this on yet, but take a look and go through the settings. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of all of this. I don't have an address on mine, so it's not showing up. But these are all great, especially the automated responses for the away messages and instant reply are really great to have. And thank you for joining me today. If you have any other suggestions for future videos, please feel free to let me know. Visit my website, send me a message on my Facebook Messenger bot, and I'd be happy to hear from you.